how to use Exitlag on PS5. To use Exitlag on PS5, you have to follow this step. So first, you have to install Exitlag on PC. After that, connect PS5 and PC to the same network. Use Ethernet or Wi-Fi. After that, enable internet sharing on PC. To enable internet sharing, go to control panel and then click on network and sharing center. After that, click on enable internet connection sharing for the active network. Step 4, set up PS5 network. Now go to settings and then click on network. After that, click on set up internet connection and then match DNS gateway to your PC if needed. And finally, test connection. Now start a game to ensure reduced latency. Keep Exitlag active on your PC while gaming for the best result. So these are ways you can use Exitlag on PS5. Hopefully this video helped you out. If you found this helpful, please consider to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.